Jingjia lang pedang ke sarkar jela baru IG sipai BSF MS Hilon kalak long hakasngi baar banyak keren Halor Jingjia ke Badangshan hapo Muktapur pahap hapo West Chantier Hills District. Boro arliang mamla kilarai ban Thaw no daka Standing Coordination Committee hapo kerdan jong usop Divisional Officer kaban kli da usop Divisional Officer bat kit khot kikin thop ya u company commander ki BSF bat SDPO. Kini ki Coordination Committee ki Bansa Thaw hasilin ter ki thain khatpot bat kari Bangladesh kinya kendu manla ke benai banyak selok bat banwanra ya ke jingsenya apdeng kinong songsnong bat ki BSF. Nakaliang UDGP ULR Bisnoy ulaong ba kane kade ke Jingjia ke bam simpoi perkat bat ong ba nakaliang UIG BSF ula pentikna wan pelong ya ke jingtokit Halor kane ke kam. Laban ong ba hakala sngi ublei u Doktor Veterinary ula keno ba syak takti haki angut kisipai BSF kat ba udang don lenti ban lek kwai dok kha ula kamru ba kisipai kila kentu yu ban law lun khoit ban dem kho siu ban pan map hakawai pat kaliang hakajing lang ba menta ka sngi ka sarkar kalarai ba hakipor manwan na dadon keno ke jing bam yasnyo thu jimot na kaliang u company commander ki BSF ne officer hasnong de banlit yakren hapo ke police station ke badan hajan.
That also very amicably, and that was an unfortunate incident. The rest of the instructions will be given by the deputy CMs.
Any action being taken against those BSF personnel, sir? Because the government officer had alleged that the BSF personnel had threatened to shoot him.
That has been alleged by that person, and we are inquiring into the issue. And given the background of the discipline of the force, given the role and motivation of the force, given the other aspects of the force, sensitivity of the area, everything will be taken care of.
So your statement, according to the statement which has been issued earlier today by BSF, it's contradictory because in the BSF statement it's stating that all these allegations are baseless. So however now you're saying that you will investigate. So what is exactly the stand? Is this just an allegation? It's baseless or what is it exactly?
See, like the things are under process, and already, as I had told you, that yesterday everything was sorted out with Dr. Boam and with the local NGOs, with the local headmen, with the local civilians, with the police force out there, with the SDO out there, and our company commanders. All were present at the Almaram place, and it has been sorted out amicably. And we assure you that in future and till now also, we have been working for the welfare of the people, and we will keep on working for the welfare of the people. Thanks.
That was unfortunate incident where the veterinary surgeon was allegedly misbehaved by BSF personnel. There was a communication gap because of some local language problems or maybe other reasons. So Honorable Home Minister has called a meeting of the IGBSF. I also attended, and from Home Department, Additional Chief Secretary and Home Secretary, they were in the meeting. So basically we discussed not only about that incident but about earlier incidents also, and we have decided that the coordination committee involving the police, civil administrations and the BSF will be constituted at sub-divisional level, and every month they will organize one meeting, and where the community leaders will be invited as special invitee to attend meeting, so that the trust and understanding can be strengthened between the people of the border villages and the BSF.
But what action will be taken in regards
See,
to
the
this
BSF is also inquiring into the matter, and today IG BSF has assured us that I will go into the detail, and once after inquiry, once he will submit the report, then we will think about the action.
To avoid
BSF, in fact, they have already issued a clarification saying that they have said that nothing such has happened. So now they are telling about this inquiry and all. Is it something?
So I am not aware what they have told earlier or clarified before the media. I am not aware, but today we have discussed about that, and they agreed that such kind of incident will not be repeated at all. That is one, he has given us assurance. And secondly, whatever exactly happened, they will look into the entire incident And to overcome the mistrust and misunderstanding, this coordination will be strengthened.
So what?
So investigation also will be done by the state police in this regard, sir?
Now let the preliminary inquiry be conducted from the BSF side, and once the report comes, after that only we will take up.
Don't you
So
think that
FIR has been filed by the particular government officials who have been harassed by the BSF?
No, he has not filed any FIR formally, but the only he complained to the local, and then we have taken the matter with the BSF because BSF was directly alleged that they were misbehaving with the veterinary.
So what steps is the government taking right now to ensure that things do not escalate at the area there?
And that is what I have explained to you, that government will be issuing notifications, constituting a coordination committee, not only in Amlaram subdivision, but other subdivisions like Sohra, like Dalus, and like Panarsunda. In every subdivision, one coordination committee will be there. Every month they will organize one meeting involving the community leaderships, of the citizens of the border villages, the local police, the civil administration, and the BSF.
don't you think that SOPs are being violated? Because last time a driver was killed, shot at by the BSF. After that, they were warned not to violate the SOP.
Now see, after that coordination was enhanced, so that is why after that no further incident in Peninsula subdivision. That was unfortunate.
Police was supposed to be informed, but then they did not inform.
No, now that is why the coordination was working earlier to strengthen that only. Now they have decided that coordination committee will meet up every month, even if there is no incident in the area. Still they will keep meeting to strengthen the understanding and trust. And we have decided that if any misunderstanding is there, so the BSF company commander or the local officer, he should intimate the nearby police station immediately, so that the language and other communication problem will not be there. And till the local police arrives, they should not take any further action. So they agreed for that. That is just to strengthen the coordination only.
Sir, who will be the member of the coordination committee?
It will be headed by SPO civil of the subdivisions, SDPO, company commander of the BSF will be the members, and the community leaders of those villages will be special advisors.